Hello, my name is Julia Rubian. Russian customs. In Russia exists variety customs. Number 1. Smiles and the way of begin. Russian people smile only when they see a great new person, or are flattering, or really enjoy some time, or are very happy. Number 2. Gifts. If you have Russian friends, it's very important to congratulate them at Paris. Make small gifts. For example, flowers and boxes of chocolates, sweets to children. Visit a house if you are invited to a Russian house. It is normal and it is good education to bring a gift, such as flowers or cakes, or candies. It is variety. Number 3. Slippers. Entering a house or in apartment in Russia, people take their shoes and put slippers to be at home. Number 4. Drinking tea. What's in the Russian house will almost tea or coffee. Tea is the most popular Russian drink, and practically all Russians drink it many times a day, at home, at work, at their every meal, in different occasions. Number 5. Flowers. The tradition of giving flowers is very strong, and for example, coming to a romantic date with a woman with traditional belief without giving flowers can be understood. Her has a lack of attention, repeat, or even an offense. Flowers is in a popular tradition. The flowers are an impair numbers, 1, 3, 5, etc. Thank you very much. Bye bye.